Pencils are one of the indispensable office tools and are widely used around the world. From students to professional designers, pencils have become a symbol of creativity and convenience in taking notes, drawing, and creating unique works of art. The world consumes billions of pencils every year. To meet this huge demand, a mass production process with large output every day is needed. In this video, join me in exploring the process of mass production pencils. Graphite is the main material to create pencil lead. This is a natural mineral found in mines around the world, often dug from deep underground. Once mined, graphite is transported to processing plants, where it is refined and processed to form fine, uniform lead particles. After the graphite has been refined into fine lead particles, the next process in manufacturing pencil leads is usually to mix them with a special type of clay. Clay is used to improve the elasticity and break resistance of pencil leads. With colored pencils, at this stage, they can be mixed with colored powders to create a pencil refill of the appropriate color. After being mixed well, this mixture is poured into a large compressor to create very large cylindrical pencil lead blanks for convenience for subsequent production. After the cylinders are created, they are passed through another high-capacity press, where the compression process continues. Here, the mixed blocks are pressed with high pressure to create pencil lead bars of the desired size and length. However, despite the pressing process, the pencil leads are still in a very flexible state. Therefore, once formed, they are sent to a special drying process. Here, the pencil leads are placed in a high temperature environment, usually around 800 degrees. This drying process helps remove moisture and makes the pencil lead dry and have the necessary hardness. Wood is an indispensable material in the pencil production process. After careful selection, the logs are processed to form uniform rectangular pieces of wood, with sizes usually ranging from 10 to 20 centimeters. After being cut into uniform rectangular pieces of wood, they will be put through automatic machines to ensure smoothness and uniform size on each piece. They continue to be passed through a groove-making machine. Here, on each piece of wood, 7 equal grooves will be created that fit the core of the pencil. This step will be done very precisely so that these grooves can tightly hug the pen core. Next, these grooves will be covered with a layer of glue, and each pencil core will be inserted into the machine. An automatic line runs continuously and quickly to ensure that the glue does not dry before inserting the pen core. After having the pen core, they will be covered on a piece of wood with grooves to cover the lead core. After this process, they are put through a machine to separate these pieces of wood into individual butts. To make the pens more beautiful, they are put through a painting machine. Each pen in turn runs through the paint pots, creating a blue or red outer coating that makes the pen more eye-catching. Each manufacturer wants their brand to be represented on each pen, so they will continue to go through a process of printing the logo and parameters of the pen. After being printed, they became much more perfect. Next, they will be run on a specialized grinding machine. Here, the tip of the pen will be sharpened to reveal the lead and can be used. To increase the perfection and beauty of the youngest tree, the other end will be painted or a mini eraser will be attached to make it more convenient during use. Pencils are one of the most popular and familiar types of pens in the world, providing many useful uses. Not simply a writing tool, a pencil is also a reliable companion in the artistic creative journey, helping to record ideas, sketch pictures, and convey the artist's emotions. If you find this video interesting, please take a moment to like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. We will continue to bring other interesting and useful videos, helping you discover more wonders from familiar objects in life. Thank you for accompanying us.